The course materials you'll receive in the online training course include the 12 weekly live webinars, the recordings of those 12 webinars, access to our online training site or e-learning platform, a USB flash drive containing the same folders as the online training site. This is for offline access, as well as a set of laminated wall charts. In this video, we'll look at how to access the course materials on the flash drive. Once you've registered for the course, we'll send your USB flash drive with your wall charts by courier. The flash drive looks like this and is usually in a small Ziploc bag inside one end of the roll of wall charts. Insert the flash drive into a USB port in your computer. A window will then open up showing Mac Viewer and PC Viewer. Click on PC Viewer if you are using a Windows computer, or click on Mac Viewer if you're using a Mac computer. I'm using a Windows laptop, so I'll double click on PC Viewer. From this next window, you will be able to access all the folders. Let's click on the first folder here to see the training course modules. Let's open module 1. Now this is essentially a PDF, so you can scroll through it like any normal PDF. On the contents page here we have links to the various chapters, so you can click on the links here to go to the chapter you'd like to read. You can also open the bookmarks on the left hand side by clicking on the bookmarks icon, and this will open up some bookmarks that will make it very easy to navigate through the file. Once you've finished, it's important not to close the document at the top right hand corner, as it will close the entire folder and you would have to open the PC Viewer again. So rather just close the window over here and then go back to File and click Open to get back to the window displaying all the various folders. There is a print ready version of the training manual in the manual folder, saved as manual print version. To print the manual, we would just simply open this print friendly version. We would then go to File and we will click on Print, and this will then open a window, your basic print window, from where you will then be able to print the manual. The files in the training course manual folder are copy protected and can only be accessed from within the flash drive. It is not possible to copy these files to your computer's hard drive. You will also see that the file save options are grayed out in the viewer. If you copy the files over to your hard drive and then try to open them, you will get an error message. The same message will appear if you try to open the file directly from within Adobe Reader. To illustrate this, let's have a look. File, Open. I've just opened Adobe Reader here. Let's go to the flash drive, Mac Viewer app. I think it's under Data. Let's try and open it from here, and you will see the error message displayed. You will get the same error message if you open the Mac Viewer app if you're using a Windows computer and attempt to open the files from the folders in the Mac Viewer app. The copy protected files can only be accessed from within the PC or Mac Viewer app on the flash drive as shown earlier. The folders correspond to what is available on the online training site, so you will find the same content on here as on the online training site. The sampling and settings videos describe the procedure for taking and preparing samples for analysis and how to view them on your microscope. The resource of live and dry blood anomalies images is available here. The resource of live blood anomalies videos can be accessed from within this folder. The client questionnaire is available in this folder and is not copy protected, so you can open this and save it to your computer's hard drive. The report templates, these are also not copy protected, can also be saved to your computer's hard drive. In the marketing materials folder, we have an example of a brochure in different file formats that you can download and edit to advertise your live blood analysis service. It uses terminology and claims that are generally safe and will avoid any legal complications for you. The most important point to remember when advertising live blood analysis is to avoid making any medical claims, since the test is not used to diagnose medical conditions. The diets folder contains a number of diets that are mentioned under the interventions for specific anomalies in the manual. You can open them here and save them to your hard drive. The extra reading folder contains some interesting articles and studies on live blood analysis that you can go through at your own pace. The last folder here has some information on our product range. There is more information on the corresponding folder on the online training site, where you'll also see a link to our website as well as a price list.